We'll guide you through how to create a Windows 11 bootable flash drive. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having this is really convenient, and it's going to allow you to go and install Windows 11 on a new computer. For example, perhaps you've just gone and built yourself a computer and now you're trying to go and install Windows. With this, you'll be able to. Let's guide you through this step by step. So to get started, of course, you are going to go and need the flash drive itself. So it needs to be 8 gigabytes. So you can go and pick one up from Amazon. I'm going to go and link some different ones down below you can go and get. You may already have one laying around, which in my case I do. If you do, you want to go and connect it. If you need to get one, go and order it. And then once you've got it, go and plug it into your computer. Open up your file explorer, come over to the left and you scroll up or down and find the This PC option and then go and locate it. So in this case, it's this flash drive for me. If you've currently got anything on it, this is going to be lost. So you can double click on it and you can go and select these files and drag them onto your desktop if you want to go and back them up. For me, I'm not worried because as I said, all of these are going to be lost. So the next thing we then need to do is we need to go and format this just to make sure it's ready. So you can go and press the back button in the top left. You can then locate it here and you want to go and right click on it, find the option for format and you can click on it. You'll get this pop up. You're going to notice my capacity is 7.56 gigabytes, but this is fine because usually this truly is a 8 gigabyte flash drive. It's just saying that's the amount of space it's got. We can then go and press start, press OK. Just remember all data is going to be lost and now it's complete. So it's now ready and we can go and get into the next step. For the next step, you need to go and open up a web browser. So in this case, I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. We can open up a new tab, click on the search and you need to type in create installation media for Windows 11, like so. Then we can come to this top site at the top here, wait for it to load. We want to make sure you go and select Windows 11. Now what we're going to do is we want to press go to the download Windows 11 site. We will be brought here. Scroll down and what you need to do is go and find the option for create Windows 11 installation media. We can then go and do a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC so we can go and create a bootable USB or DVD. And we're going to guide you through this. So you want to go and press download now like so. Now it's going to go and start downloading. It won't take long at all as this is just a media creation tool. Now we need to go and locate this download so you can go and open up your file explorer, go to the left and press downloads. Then we've got the media creation tool. You want to go and double click on it like so. And now we'll get a Windows security pop-up. You need to agree to that and it's now going to go and launch. In the meantime, we can go and close the window like this. And now it's just getting a few things ready. Go and be patient. What you need to do is go and read this through. And then what you can do is press accept if you do. I already have, so I'll press accept. Go and wait. Double check the options here. We've got language and edition. So these are the recommended options. You can unselect it here and you then can go and change this. For example, the language, we can't change the edition. Then you can press next in the bottom right. Now, this is really important here. We need to select USB flash drive. As you can see, it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. I'll confirm mine is 8 gigabytes. It's just how the amount of space is being detected. Then we can press next. And then we've got the removable drive, which is the G drive. If you've got multiple plugged in, just confirm this is the right one. We can come back to this PC and this is the G drive. So I can then go and select it here and we can go and press next. And now it's getting a few more things ready. So keep waiting. And shortly the download process is going to begin. As you can see, it's now downloading Windows 11. We can keep using our PC. So the amount of time this takes will depend upon how fast your internet connection is, as it has got to go and download Windows 11. You can see here mine's being pretty quick. We're already on 2%, nearly 3%. So now all we need to do is go and wait. When this is finished, we're then going to have the USB flash drive and it's going to be bootable. So what you can then do is once it's finished, it will go and tell you. You can go and remove it from your computer and you can then go and plug it into the computer that you're going to use it on. We're yet to create a full guide on this, but what you need to do is plug it into the computer you want to install it on. And then when your computer boots, you can go and press a key and you'll then be able to go and choose the drive you want to go and boot from. This key will vary depending upon the motherboard you have. And then you can go and boot using the flash drive and you can start the installation process. And then you'll have Windows 11 on your computer. Windows 11 is one of my favorite operating systems. It's got so much compatibility and there are so many apps and softwares for it. That's it. Hopefully now you're managing to go and use it on your computer. Remember, you'll need to go and get an activation key as well. And we'll also go and put links to them down to Amazon in the description as well. Then you can go and activate Windows 11 and fully go and utilize it and use it.